Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it's called Meta Triad. Before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right to the video. The website is called metatriads.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can go check it out from there. Now, the first impression that you get about this amazing NFT is the fact that this is an actual brand. You can own clothing brands in 3 worlds, and obviously it's got 4 days, 7 hours and 49 minutes left before it starts minting, and you can join them on their Discord. I always tell everyone in my videos the fact that if you want to get reliable information, you gotta join their Discords. You gotta join their Discords. You gotta follow them on Twitter, and they're available on OpenSea as well. I'm going to go in great detail and show you what this NFT is about and why this NFT is going to be massive. Now, there's a lot of press about them as well, and Yahoo Finance has covered them, and News BTC has covered them. They're on CoinGap as well, and obviously Bazinga is on it as well. So there's a lot of news agencies, there's a lot of press that is getting on this particular NFT. Now, what are the benefits of actually getting an NFT, getting a Triad NFT? The profit shares from the Web 3.0 marketplace. Each NFT holder will receive an income from the first one-stop fashion marketplace for all 3 worlds, real, AR, and the metaverse integrated with each other. Will you get exclusive access as well, getting exclusive early access, unlimited fashion drops that can be sold before official launches. Holders will have the upper hand on all collections, and obviously that is a unique competitive advantage that they've created for their NFT, and that is one of the reasons this is gonna be massive. And you can join their tribunals as well by becoming one of the founders of Triads. Holders will receive votes in their tribunals and DAO, become a community managed product, and obviously they got coin drops as well. The Meta Triad NFT holders will be airdropped 9 trials per day. Now, trial is a Ethereum based standard. Tokens will have a future utility on the marketplace by being the main currency of the ecosystem. And by holding at least 2 trials, holders will be able to breed a new generation Delta in a parallel universe. Mutating a generation of Deltas, holders will be airdropped with a new generation of NFTs. And obviously a major update will be coming on the 30th of March in relation to the Delta updates. Now, the first impression that you get about this NFT is quite amazing. This is a very artistically developed NFT. A lot of creativity has gone into developing this NFT, and the backstory, which I feel is very, very important, is that there are 3 races in the Triads: 3,333 humans and 3,033 humanoids and 3,333 hybrids. After centuries of war between each other, the planet is exhausted, on the verge of destructions. In the year 3,333, the chosen, one of a kind, the new race is born, who unites them all for one purpose: mine the last trial, planet's main resource, to power intergalactic travel and repopulate the new world. And the roadmap, which is one of the most important elements to determine a successful NFT. Now, the stage 0, they call it, where 450,000 US dollar seed fund raised, is to establish 2 offices in the heart of EU in Vienna and in the US in New York. A team of highly competent members with passion gather to unite the 3 separate worlds. In the stage 1, the project assembles and the whitelist is open for whales and partner organizations, loyal community members, and the first of the Triads and the general public. With stage 2, a collection is launched, the OpenSea verification is done, and the rarity sniper is integrated. On stage 3, the DAO tribunal voting smart contract integration is completed. With the launch of the token, and Triad's intergalactic travel enables the breeding of the new next generation Delta and a story progressions of new utilities. With the stage 4, the marketplace is launched in Web 3.0 e-commerce, Decentraland, Sandbox, and Interverse integration within which unites all the 3 marketplaces. Now, that is what they're planning to do, and they have a strategy put in place. And obviously they've got the team to back it. They got the individuals who have the experience, who have built multiple NFTs over the past years, and they've been in the NFT space and the crypto space, and they understand exactly what they need to do to ensure to make this particular NFT one of the biggest NFTs in the NFT space. Now you got the fashion designer, the jewel of the project, the personal designer of the Hollywood stars, years of collaboration with major fashion brands, founder of the feminine fashion and Giorgio Bizani. And obviously you can check giorgiobizani.com. This is the individual who is behind the designing elements of these amazing NFTs. And then you got ex-Google, the IBM, not even better, the voice of the tribunal, their CMO, an expert in e-commerce and digital marketing, a person who has experience with multinational companies, and director and entrepreneur who has raised 2.7 million in capital for startups, as well as the person who is the product owner of a bank listed at London Stock Exchange, who has huge experience in tech startups and in the industry insiders since 2014. And all of these individuals, you can go check their LinkedIn out. I'm gonna put the link for metatriads.com in the description below of this video on the educational network. You can go and check it out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos, and share these videos with your friends and your family as well. You got the International King Festival winner in print and design twice, the art director and the person behind it. He's available on Behance, and you can check on Behance how amazing work this person has done. And more than a smart contract developer, he is the inhalator of the gas fees, and obviously he's available on LinkedIn as well. And you can put your name and your achievements, and you can become partners and Meta Triads as well. Obviously, this is a growing team. They understand that individuals who have that experience, when they come into a community and make that NFT successful, only then it can take off. And if you're interested in becoming part of their team and developing this particular Meta Triads, you can always contact them at partners.metatriads.com. Now, they got frequently asked questions. When will the minting start? The minting will start on the 14th of March. What's the plan? I've gone in great detail of exactly what they're planning to do, but they say thinking ahead and planning for a strong valuation. Meta Triads will also be launching both Decentraland and Sandbox to increase tradability and value. How can you get on the whitelist? You can go on their Discord. The Discord is a place where you will get reliable information, so please make sure you join their Discord, because the Discord is only the place where you can get reliable information. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the about section of my channel. You can also drop me a message in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you and answer your questions. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next videos. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.